Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to get your Trust Wallet phrase. First, open your Trust Wallet app on your phone. Once it's open, look for the settings icon, usually found in the bottom right corner. Tap on Settings, then select Wallets from the options presented. This will display a list of all the wallets you currently have set up within the application. It's a straightforward process to begin. Next, identify the specific wallet whose recovery phrase you wish to retrieve. Tap on the three dots or the information icon located right next to that wallet's name. This action will open up more options for that particular wallet. From these options, you'll need to select Show Secret Phrase or Recovery Phrase. Be prepared for a security prompt at this stage. Before your phrase is revealed, Trust Wallet will ask you to confirm your identity. This usually involves entering your passcode, using a fingerprint scan or facial recognition. After successful authentication, you'll see important security warnings. Please read these warnings very carefully and acknowledge them. It's crucial to understand that your recovery phrase grants full access to your funds, so never share it with anyone. Finally, once your 12-word recovery phrase is displayed, the most critical step is to write it down. Use a pen and paper, and ensure you copy each word accurately and in the correct order. Store this physical copy in a very secure and private place, like a safe or a locked drawer. Never store your recovery phrase digitally, on your phone, or online, as this significantly increases the risk of theft. Keep it offline for maximum security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.